You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more and become part of the community. There are two different ways in English to say it. The British say it as faience, stress on that second ance syllable, while the Americans often pronounce it more as faience. Now, the truth of the matter is that this is a word from French, and in French it's said as faïence. So indeed the British pronunciation faïence is closer to the original French pronunciation, but still faïence is also used in American English. So now you know it all, right? Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps me immensely, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.